Today, I'm diving into TradeMate, an automated trading bot that promises to simplify and optimize your trading experience. When you first visit the TradeMate website, you're greeted with a sleek and modern interface, making navigation effortless. The homepage highlights its key features, including automated trade execution, risk management tools, and compatibility with multiple exchanges. Scrolling further, you'll find testimonials and performance statistics that claim to show the effectiveness of this platform. Setting up an account is straightforward. You simply need to register with an email address, create a secure password, and verify your identity if required. Once inside the dashboard, you'll notice an intuitive layout. The left-hand panel provides access to core features, such as trade automation, settings, and backtesting. The bot's main selling point is its ability to analyze market trends and execute trades based on predefined strategies. The strategy customization feature allows users to select from pre-made strategies or create their own using technical indicators. TradeMate supports major exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, making it a versatile choice for traders across different markets. A key aspect is risk management. Users can set stop loss and take profit parameters to minimize losses and maximize gains. Backtesting is another useful feature, allowing traders to test strategies against historical market data before executing live trades. This helps in refining strategies without risking real capital. Additionally, TradeMate integrates with trading signals, providing real-time alerts based on market conditions. Now, let's talk about usability. The platform is web-based, meaning no software downloads are required. It's also mobile-friendly, so traders can manage their accounts on the go. While the interface is designed for ease of use, beginners might still face a learning curve when setting up advanced trading strategies. TradeMate offers educational resources, including tutorials and a knowledge base, to help users get started. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking video. One of the main concerns traders have with automated bots is security. TradeMate uses API keys to connect with exchanges, meaning it doesn't have direct access to your funds. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, protecting your account from unauthorized access. However, as with any trading bot, it's crucial to follow best security practices, such as using strong passwords and enabling withdrawal restrictions on your exchange account. Pricing is another factor to consider. TradeMate offers different subscription plans based on the level of automation and trading volume. While there's no free plan, the paid options provide various features tailored to different trading needs. Some users might find the pricing steep, but if the bot delivers consistent profits, the cost could be justified. So, is TradeMate worth it? The answer depends on your trading style and experience. If you're an active trader looking for automation and enhanced strategies, this bot could be a valuable tool. However, if you're new to trading, there's a learning curve involved. As with any trading software, results vary based on market conditions and strategy effectiveness. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on trading tools, strategies, and market insights.